Here, my lord, in the my lord, order sheet, my lords, I pray for listing. Yeah.
May it please your lordship. Criminal petition under plea operation.
Maybe.
.366. At the time of Shaheri, she was kidnapped. Mother is the witness. Eyewitness. You are for the state. A file to detail. Go through it. And what do you say about the mother's evidence? But the daughter was taken away. There was no hue and cry. And waited till the night thereafter. And the girl was in the house of the informant for around 4 days, 3-4 days. She also did not raise anything. In those two circumstances, what do you say? There is a doubt. Forget it. 3 o'clock, it's Shahri time. Normally, people are awake. That's a very religious, everybody is awake. That age is also again a doubtful thing, but because there is, they have taken it +2 here, +2 there. That cannot be. But birth certificates have not. 14 to 15 years. That's an opinion. But there is also an underlying thing. The accused in his 313 has brought nothing on record. So in that view of the matter, there seems to be a doubt that it was eloping. And the mother was also a consenting party. There were two accused. But with regard to Ali Hussein, nothing is there. Joinal and Ali Hussein together, but who actually kidnapped the girl, it's a doubtful. Of the matter, strict proof, whether you can say that it is established. You go through the brief. We'll take it up as item number, last item. Go through. Prepare.
Of this criminal petition day after tomorrow. Much obliged.
All listing allowed. What happened to that? That 125.
125.
Divorce, what happened now? What is the compromise?
He has paid what divorce.
Provision made. You are item number 14. You are Mr. T. Sheikh. You are appearing for the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of the present proceedings, the parties have compromised the matter and accordingly prays that the revision petition be dismissed as having become infructuous. Also, prayer accepted. The criminal revision petition, in view of the submissions made by the petitioner, stands dismissed as having become infructuous. Yes.
I beg to mention item number 3. I'm for the informant of the case for Ashok. I have not, neither I received a copy of the IA or the memo.
Why? When did you enter appearance? When did you enter appearance? Who invited you? Who invited you? How were you invited to the proceedings? You received a notice?
I just the parties they have perhaps received the notice.
3.
Counting offense was submitted. She was for the.
That Saedur Rahman, police officer.
Item number 3, Lordship.
3. Fazlur Rahman.
Fazlur Rahman.
finally, Lordship. In that case,
What was the incident involved?
Lordship,
No, what was the incident involved? Incident. Story.
my lord,
That field.
yes, Lordship. That
Okay. We'll see. You be here. We'll see.
Lordship.
You be here. We'll see.
I must get the decision.
That woman informed, then the father went, got her. That is the case.
Yes, Lord.
Okay.
Very, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Be here. We'll see. Be here. We'll see.
Lord, now.
No.
Yes,
Let the matter be called.
Lord, yes.
Hmm.
Your Lordship.
Now the proper things have come. Huh? CD would be called for. We'll give him an entry. Earlier, he was having some typographical errors. That's why he withdrew the petition and the present one is filed. Okay. Heard Mr. S.R.A. Nasir, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Madam A. Begum, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor appearing for the state. The present application has been instituted praying for pre-arrest bail in connection pre-arrest bail for the petitioner, accused petitioner, Siddiq Boraita Bol Koidiva, in connection with Moriani PS case number 89/2025 under section 303 bracketed 2 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2003. Full stop. Raise so and so. Issue notice, call for the case diary. Ms. A. Begum, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent. Full stop. Para. Considering the contentions raised by the accused petitioner in the present petition, and also the including the contention that the petitioner is neither the owner nor the driver of the offending vehicle in question, and that he is not connected with the offense, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the accused petitioner, in connection with Moriani PS case number under section so and so, he shall be released on interim bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 15,000 with to local surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following conditions. 1. The accused petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer and have his statement recorded on 24/10/2025. Baki kini shall not not leave the side. What's up? Register to list this matter again on 30/10/2025. Also, the learned additional public prosecutor shall produce a scanned copy of the case diary on the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged.
Now you understand the requirement of a pleading.
Deeply obliged.
I can do.
Judgment dated 4/1.
Ruti.
stated per se, but then an judge.
Your name?
Uh,
MK Chaudhary. You're not there in the matter. Munuruz Munzu. Okay.
Sir, I'm not saying that the trial is vitiated, but then there is SC was assistance. Rape within the because when the matter got listed before the single bench, that there was a confusion. Because then I came to know, yes, if it's filed again, therefore single bench can hear it. Had the informant, then of course it would have been. There is some that primary jurisdiction, not of this court, but then the session assistant session judge, that thing. Anyway, that it may not be vitiated because they have the assistant session judge has passed the maximum sentence and the minimum sentence of the which is applicable, the maximum sentence in that person's jurisdiction.
That sentencing is within his power.
Within his maximum power. Yeah.
We'll go for the merits. What do you have to say?
Lord, if I can hear from the start from the FIR.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, you've gone through.
Actually, my lord, there are several witnesses.
Witnesses, there are many witnesses, but the main would be PW 5, 6, and the accused.
7.
7, and the 2 ladies who had said that she had reported.
Right.
But one factor, we'll hear him. If you want, you can go through. Didier. The offense took place in the quarter. The victim's prosecutors said that when she was caught for the act, she had raised a halla. The PW5 says there were 3 other constables of the police station who were there in their.
My father, along with my uncle, searched there and caught the accused and brought me home. On the same day, the matter was placed before the village Samaj, but the people of the Samaj, without holding any village male father to file a case against the accused, I was produced before the magistrate and my statement was also got recorded under section 164 RPC. Exhibit 2 is my statement. Cross-examination. At the time of taking me towards the field, Babul Ali and his wife saw us. These persons were not examined, Lordship. There, my lord, eyewitness, Lordship. The accused took me on the bank of a pond adjacent our area from our house. None was present at the bank. None was present at the bank of the pond during that time. I met my father at my home while I was coming back from the field. My lord, how caught-handed, Lordship? She met at my lord, at home. She met her father at home, Lordship. While coming from my lord, I told before my father and mother that the accused spoke filthy words before me before removing her pen from the wearing position. It is not a fact that I did not state before the IO that the accused threatened me by showing a sickle and tried to remove my pen, and that the accused also spoke filthy words before me and thereafter accused was caught by my father and my uncle. This, my lord, suggestion has been, my lord, confirmed by the IO lordship. It is not a fact that on the day of occurrence, the accused did not try to molest me by removing my half pant and on the threaten of a sickle in the hand of the accused, and I have deposed today falsely before the court as by my present parents. Now, this is her statement as regards the presence of her father. Lordship, father is, my lord, doubtful, my lord, contradictory, because she once stated during cross examination states that, my lord, she met her father at home. Now, in the other place, my lord, stated he had come along with his uncle. Who is that uncle? It is not stated. Now, as regards, my lord, this, my lord, her statement before the, my lord, trial court, lordship, the contradiction is made, lordship, suggestion was given, lordship, the IO has, my lord, I am coming to that, my lord, subsequently, lordship. Now, kindly see the PW 2, the informant, lordship. I am the informant of this case. I know the accused, my co-villager, about 4 or 5 months ago. One day I was at my house. My victim daughter returned from school at around 2 p.m. I called my daughter to take juice of fruits, but she did not respond. My wife searched for her whereabouts. Then, on being inquired, one of my neighbors told me that the accused had taken her towards a nearby. No specific. Who was the neighbor, lordship? Why he has not been examined? Told that towards a nearby fishery on the northern side of my house. Then I went out to search for my daughter towards the said spot along with my wife. Victim says, my lord, along with my lord, my lord, his uncle. My lord, this his father, her father says, my lord, along with my lord, her mother. Now, then I saw the accused on the bank of a pond, and my daughter was kept hidden in heap of a tall grass. My lord, he had seen, my lord, the girl was hidden in the, my lord, under this tree, lordship, grass, lordship. She stated, my lord, she met for the first time at home. On seeing us, the accused fled away from the place of occurrence. Then I brought my daughter to my house, and on being inquired, she narrated before me that the accused had taken her from the house to the said spot, and thereafter the accused uttered some in words before her, and then forcefully put off her husband in order to commit rape on her. In the FIR stated that he was caught red-handed, lordship, victim, lordship. But herein it is stated that he, my lord, fled away. How caught and this is different, two different opposite, my lord, words, lordship. Fled away and caught red-handed, different phenomenon, lordship. Fled away. Now, my lord, in the FIR says, my lord, caught red-handed, lordship. FIR was lodged by father. Lordship. Now, on seeing as the accused fled away. Now, she was, my lord, kept hidden under the tree, lordship. That should be, my lord, supported by the, corroborated by the eyewitness, my lord. Eyewitness PW4. Now, their presence is also doubtful, Lordship. Because victim says my father and uncle came. My lord, father says, "Mal, no, me and my wife." Now the PW3, my lord, PW2, PW. So this PW2 on the at one place stated that my brother Shahazul went along with me. Another place he stated, my lord, my brother Shahazul went along with me. My lord, PW2, my lord, cross examination, Lordship. Cross examination 1, 2, second paragraph, Lordship. Cross examination, second paragraph. It is not a fact that for drawing electrical line from the house of the accused by me, my lord. But he did not say. My lord, father did not say.
Father said, my brother Sarajul went along with me to.
But my victim says, my lord, it is my uncle only.
Brother means what?
But PW, what
victim
mother
says both.
says, Lordship?
No.
What mother says, Lord? Mother says, my lord.
Oh, come to the victim.
Yes, Lordship. Mother says, my lord, nobody was there except
in the meantime, my father along with my uncle and caught the accused. That is supported by.
Why, my lord, silent about my mother, Lordship? She was not. Lordship.
Are posing a question to the court. Why didn't this question to the victim?
That is, my lord, matter is on record, Lordship. My lord. Now kindly see PW3, Lordship, mother. What mother says, Lordship? The victim is my daughter. I know the accused Fazlur Rahman. About 5 months ago, one day my daughter came from school.
Then my husband went to the field and found my daughter on all grown grass.
Other evidence.
That non-mentioning of the name of the who had proceeded with him.
Lordship, further statements are there, Lordship. Kindly, I may be allowed to proceed, Lordship. The victim is my daughter. I know the accused, Fazlur Rahman. About 5 months ago, one day my daughter came from school. Thereafter, my daughter was not found, and so I searched for her to provide a glass of brief fruit juice. When we did not find her, one woman told me that accused Fazlur took my daughter towards the north of our house. Then my husband went to the field and found my daughter under the tall ground grass nearby a pond. My husband went, Lordship. He was not there, Lordship. Now, yes, then she was
that
brought.
is not a contradiction.
Now,
Maybe an omission.
well, then kindly see. Then, my lord, yes, kindly see. Kindly, I may be allowed to proceed, Lordship. Then she was brought from there along with the accused. Along with the accused. But my lord, daughter says, I met at home. We're along with, Lordship. Now, on being inquired,
Contradiction here. Says no by the the accused, but a contradiction.
now, Lordship,
When was the victim
was arrested
surrendered?
immediately. He was arrested. They arrested immediately. My lord, she was brought from there along with the accused. On being inquired, my daughter, aged about 7 years, told before us that the accused took her towards the field on bank of a pond and tried to
Incident is of 9.
eight 5/2012, Lordship.
FIR file?
FIR was lodged, Lordship. Was date is Lordship. 9/5, Lordship. After next day, Lordship. My lord, analysis, Lordship, when he was caught red-handed, Lordship, brought along with the why he was not. Now, my lord, PW3 may be read, my lord. Lordship. Next paragraph, in cross-examination, I did not accompany my husband, is cross-examination, Lordship. I did not accompany my husband to the field to bring back our daughter. But this is clear, their presence is, my lord, doubtful, Lordship. The version of the, my lord, victim, Lordship, has no credibility because she tells, Lordship, I did not accompany my husband to field to bring back our daughter. I did not know the name of the woman who informed us about taking of my daughter by the accused towards the field. I cannot recollect to whether I stated before the police that my daughter was kept hidden under the tall ground grass near the bank of a pond. It is not a fact that we have lost a false case against the accused due to previous judge. Now PW4, Lordship, this is independent person, Lordship, independent witness. Was there, she was working, Lordship.
We saw the
Yes, Lordship. Why she did not show the eyewitness, Lordship? Was there, Lordship. Now I was stated, Lordship. I was stated, my lord, such statements were not given before the Lordship. By the I was statement kindly see PW5. Name of the PW5 kindly see, Lordship. My lord, married Lordship, PW5. Nova Kumar Soikia. On 9/5/2000.
we got it. Your submission.
Submission is, Lordship, my lord, the eyewitness, my lord, does not support, Lordship. My lord, the presence of the, my lord, prosecution witness, my lord, 2 and 1, 2 and, sorry, 2 and 3, Lordship, are doubtful because the mother says, Lordship, I did not accompany with my husband, Lordship. My lord, daughter says my mother, sorry, Lordship, not uncle, Lordship. But the father says, my lord, this is my wife. At one,
Not say wife.
Lordship, is there, Lordship, in cross my lord, in the my uncle, sorry, uncle, Lordship. Father says it is my uncle. Now, my lord, PW1 says uncle, Lordship. I'm sorry, Lordship. My lord,
Fact that you did some
my lord, but the my lord, whether the petitioner was there, Lordship. Well, Lordship. Thousand, Lordship. The girl's statement may be reliable, Lordship. That those statements are improved before the trial court, Lordship. And IO statement kindly see, my lord, 161, the statements which were not before the, made before the IO under section 161 CRPC lordship. Has no, my lord, reliability lordship.
Married now.
Now girl is married, they are living husband as my lord, divorce peacefully lordship, compound matter has been compromised lordship. Application for compounding is also filed lordship. Well, that is, yes, lordship, it is there, lord, listed, it is along with the appeal lord. My lord, 354 lordship at that time lordship. As regards compounding the offense lordship, my lord, in a Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court judgment lordship, is that a 350? Now, on the other hand, the plea of juvenility was also taken lordship. Yes, lordship. Accused lordship. But the accused, but the my lord, government has appeared lordship, she may take instruction lordship. And your lordship now, 2 years conviction is was your lordship, my lord, my lord, well, matter was the no, that is not lordship. Now kindly see judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court 161 in the, this is, it is lordship P. ठीक है तो दीदी असद Bimal Suresh Kamble. That is my lord, paragraph 16. Paragraph 16. What? The evidence of these witnesses is of no significance as also appears to the untrue. Yes, lordship. Other lordship. Well,
There is some it is a
Verified subsequently, it's the
it is proved that because she clearly stated that was supposed.
Presence of victim in the compounding of the in the witness matter. But she says it, the film in
said and done. Of them were brought home. The father says,
Anyway, that is
Probably inconsistent.
yes, it is right, Lordship.
But advises with regard. Because FIR says he has caught them red-handed.
Anyway, 800 might be my eyewitness because had it been a witness pilot that of just inter a chance witness he said cutting grass just see find the victim
In the field.
field my lord.
Fitting in.
Exactly, my lord. Is my lord. Here and yes, here and there might say main part is that might found in the field that the accused language with her.
Would have come in.
Section 8 would have come here.
Ah, yes, oh.
I heard they are living together. Right. Like accommodation for a day only.
Why? 50.
Yes.
Sharp weapon.
Simple injury, sharp weapon with the further stipulation that they had very good relationship.
Evidence, Lordship, that 1 hour immediately. After the-
Not in the case there. And hence could not brought the contradiction. backside. Other eyewitness, the eye.
Then they were told about it.
Told, but
They found him in an injured condition, Lordship.
108 was taken and
Lordship.
we'll have it on Wednesday.
$15. Yes, 16 Lordship. As of that.
Yes, CD has come. Yes.
Nothing.
Break is there.
My lord, quick statement, my lord. Judge, my lord, his complete some prior connection is there with.
To take it next.
My lord, then my lord, it is
Have shown a risk. The orders?
Yes, Lord.
additive.
Fine.
Lakhimpur. Lakhimpur.
Okay.
Lakhimpur. Palpara Lakhimpur.
Before anybody grant only two. No. Yasin Ali? Ali, what happened? Yasin Ali was arrested.
Yes, yes. My lord, one order is there, my lord, of my lord, honorable. Court, my lord, is there, rejection order is there. Yes, this is the first thing.
Who is Shahidul?
So regarding this case, Lordship, 47 and notice not.
The case there. I have flag note. There is.
For the Lana edition. SAIDU inside. Their respective base.
I did, my lord. Kindly have a copy of this.
Because
I've been a.
see, you are the main man. Yasin Ali, sorry.
Also in page 15, Lordship, here the
Friday.
date of
I would
occurrence.
have, I wanted
Lordship,
to
date
get
of
bail
occurrence is
today.
23/7. During that, I am in judicial custody, Lordship.
Just have a look at it. What happened to those two?
Main thing is date of occurrence, Lordship. During the on that particular day, I am in judicial custody, Lordship. Lordship.
We'll leave you, don't man.
In this case, 71 days.
Just have a.
Hello.
Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday.
Sir. Is there? Have been recovered. Is there anything connect? 420, no, 420. One. Evidence, but from their house, these things were recovered. None appears for the. NP question.
Yes.